To the laundromat. Wow!
Huh? The washer's broken?
Let me check. Huh?
Oh no!
Oh. Huh?
Oh no! Where'd the rat come from?
Ah! Mommy, come here.
The cord is chewed. Why is Puka so scared?
I need this tomorrow. Huh?
Let me take you to the laundromat.
Wow, so many washing machines.
This is their first trip to the laundromat. This is Van's mom's laundromat. We need these washed. Okay. Huh? Pika, Puka, where are you? Don't fool around in a laundromat. Hello?
Oh. Huh? We put the white dress in the washer. We put the white dress in the washer.
Oh! Oh no, the white dress will be mixed with other colors.
Ah! Oh!
If you hadn't fooled around and messed up the laundry, the dress would have been fine. See? Stop crying. I'll buy you another.
Huh?